given three equations here, 5x minus 4y minus 6z is equal to negative 19. That is the first one. The second, negative 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 5. The third equation, 3x minus 6y minus 5z is equal to negative 16. So remember, name this as your first equation, the second, and the third equation. First step is choose two equations and eliminate a variable. So if I plan to eliminate z, let's say I choose the first and the second. For me to eliminate z, the first is negative 6, so then I would multiply this by 6, both sides. So what's going to happen? So I'm going to write the first equation here, 5x minus 4y minus 6z is equal to negative 19. The second equation, if I multiply by 6, everything by 6 times negative 2 is negative 12x. 6 times 2 is 12y. And 6 times z is 6z equals 6 times 5, 30. So add these two equations. Negative 6z plus 6z is 0. So 5x minus 12x is negative 7x. Negative 4y plus 12y is 8y. And it is equal to negative 19 plus 30 is 11. So now this is your fourth equation. Second step is I would choose the second and the third. And remember, you have to eliminate the same variable. So to eliminate z here, I'm going to multiply the third. Look at z. It's negative 5. And the second, the z is 1z. So I need to multiply this by 5. So that when I do that, so this is going to be 5 times negative 2 is negative 10x. 5 times 2 is 10y. 5 times z is 5z equals 5 times 5, 25. Then the third equation, 3x minus 6y minus 5z is equal to negative 16. And add these two equations again so to eliminate z. 5 minus 5 is 0. So negative 10x plus 3x is negative 7x. 10 plus negative 6 is 4, positive 4y. 25 plus negative 16 is 9. And this is now my fifth equation. Next step is, the third step is combining the fourth and the fifth. So I'm going to write the fourth equation here, negative 7x plus 8y equals 11. My fifth is negative 7x plus 4y equals 9. Look at this. I can eliminate x here because they have the same number, but although they have the same symbol, I can, instead of addition, I can use subtraction here. Because negative 7x minus negative 7, negative negative becomes positive. That is a 0. So 8y minus positive 4y is 4y. 11 minus 9 is 2. And just divide both sides by 4. Y is equal to 1/2. Okay. Next, my fourth step, I'm going to use this space here, is substitute the variable that I have, which is y. Substitute y equals 1/2 to either the fourth equation or the fifth. So let's use the fourth, negative 7x plus 8, your y is 1/2, is equal to 11. So negative 7x, half of 8 is 4, is equal to 11. If you subtract 4, it's going to be 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. And divide both sides by negative 7, so that x is equal to negative 1. And the last step, step number 5, is substitute the two variables that you have. Substitute y equals 1/2 and x is equal to 1, negative 1, to either the first or the second or the third, either of the three given equations. So you just have to choose. So let's say I choose, which one? Let's say the second. So negative 2x, so that's negative 2 times negative 1 plus 2y, 2 times 1/2 plus z is equal to 5. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Half of 2 is 1 plus z is equal to 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. If you subtract 3 both sides, now z is going to be equal to 2. So here, your final answer x, y, z. X is negative 1, y is 1/2, and z is 2.